So this is the shoe that Kanye wears in the sunken place. What's going on, everybody? My name is John. You're watching Soul Post, and this is another Soul Post unboxing. Today we take a look at the Adidas Yeezy 500 Blush. Now, I have to do a little bit of a rant, just a tiny bit. And this has nothing to do with his comments in the news right now. I'm not gonna kick Yeezy while he's down, because that's not what you're here for. You're here for a sneaker review. What I'm upset about is the fact that this pair dropped for $747 Warehouse Street, and which was All-Star Weekend, the Adidas event for All-Star Weekend. And it dropped on YeezySupply.com. So I ordered this pair during All-Star Weekend, got through, caught my pair, all of that. I was like, cool. Now, the way Yeezy Supply works is that they do pre-orders, which I already knew coming into that would have been, and I was fine with that. I was like, great, you know, pre-orders, get my shoes whenever. So when this shoe actually was ready to ship, before the restock, they had production issues with this pair and the Supermoon Yellow colorway, and that kind of pushed everything back further. And I'm like, all right, cool. And then they announced the restock, which I wasn't really too upset about because more often than not, I'm probably gonna wear this pair anyway. This is now like mid-April, so I'm like, all right, cool. I'll still get my pair maybe like a week or two before the drop happens. And you know, that's fine. So the re-release happened on April 14th. And I still didn't get my pair. So I'm now, you know, checking Yeezy Supply to see what's going on, checking the tracking information. My order still had not shipped yet. And now I'm just like, all right, what's really going on? Like, where are you, Yeezy? I'm recording this on April 27th, and I got this pair on April 27th. It just came in the mail. And I'm just like, what is the point of the pre-order if I'm getting my shoe after the restock happens, A. B, there was a retail release at 747 Warehouse Street, so it wasn't like there were not pairs made already in production. And C, I'm getting my pair, like I ordered this pair and got it after the retail release. Like, I don't understand. Like, what's really good, Yeezy? Like, come on, man. I understand you little guy off the goose right now.
I'm a little mother, I come off that goose right now.
But come on, man, I need to get these pairs on time. Like, I want to stunt in my Yeezys and then never wear them again. Like, how am I gonna do that? How am I gonna get my clout if you're sending me shoes late? You gotta do better, Kanye Omari, just in all aspects. Now that we've got that long-winded rant out the way, let's take a look at the box. So the box is identical to the Yeezy 350 Boost box, with the 500 replacing the 350. It's got the Yeezy 500 word mark on the top, made by Adidas, and on the back, Yeezy 500 made by Adidas. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe has a variety of materials on the upper. It's got nubuck, it's got mesh, it's got cow suede, it's got leather, and all of the materials together make for a great shoe. Like, the quality on all, and it's got the rubber panels as well. And all of it together makes for a great shoe. I'm just a little mad because like I said, I didn't get my shoe until, you know, 2 weeks after the retail release. Getting into the toe, you've got all cow suede. And again, the cow suede feels really good. It feels like really premium. Getting into the tongue, you have a mesh tongue with a leather overlay. And you've got these cow suede detailings basically where the eyelets are. It looks like the shoe doesn't have an insole, which if it doesn't, Kanye, we really gonna have to fight. Basically, it's got just the stitching and that's it. All right, so neither shoe has an insole unless that was actually how it's designed. I'm not actually sure. I didn't own the Supermoon Yellow pair because I wasn't gonna pay $760 for a whole bundle of shirts and pants that are too big for me just to get the Supermoon Yellow shoe. So if you're in the comment section, just let me know if there's an actual insole for this shoe. I haven't actually seen it, so I couldn't really tell you. Hey everyone, just wanted to give a quick update on the Yeezy 500 Blush. So I did some research, found out that I was actually supposed to get an insole. They have Ortholite insoles. So on top of all the things that happened, I also did not get any insoles. And Ortholite is actually really solid, but couldn't really grade you on it because I didn't get a pair. So now I have to contact Yeezy Supply and, you know, try to figure out what's going on. So stay tuned on that, and yeah. Moving towards the heel, you've got, like I said, the nubuck detailings, and nubuck's actually really soft. Like, I'm actually very happy. Like, the quality on this shoe is actually very good. It's just really soured by what Kanye's doing in the media, plus the fact that I got this shoe 2 weeks after the retail release, which, you know, that's unacceptable. And it's also got this rubber wall to, I assume, prevent those nicks, scrapes, and things that just happen when you're walking. The heel has the cow suede, the nubuck, and the mesh. And the whole shoe is in what is called the blush colorway. The medial is identical to the lateral. You've got the rubber wall with the nubuck and the mesh, and of course the cow suede panels. I mean, the midsole is not Boost, which when we actually found that out, we were all kind of disappointed about. But now that we've had some time to settle in about it, it's all right. It's actually using Adiprene Plus, and what that is basically, it looks very similar to the Crazy 8 outsole, the original Crazy 8. And I think that's actually what it's based off of. It's a much more durable, non-marking outsole. And if you wanted to play ball in the shoe like Nick Young did, you probably could. It's a durable shoe. You'd be better off playing with this instead of maybe a Yeezy Boost like Joel Embiid did. We trust the process, but we don't trust Yeezy Boost enough to play in them. Lastly, the shoe has a groove pattern for the outsole with the non-marking branding right by the heel. Overall, the Yeezy 500 is one of those shoes where you either like it or you don't. Either you're a part of the dad shoe wave or you're not. Me personally, there are certain shoes that I'm a big fan of, like the Thunder Spectra, the Yeezy 500, and then there's other shoes like the Monarch. The original Air Monarch 4, I'm not a big fan of, but the upcoming M2K Techno, I like the revamped look of it, enough for me to be like, all right, I'm a fan of that shoe. There is basically no middle ground with the dad shoe wave. And like I said, I'm a part of hashtag Team Dad Shoe Wave. Now let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. Alright everyone, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you get up with everything we do on the Soul Post channel. Also, you can follow Soul Post at the Soul Post on all social media. You can also follow me on social media at the Mac Roberts. I'm John from Soul Post. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.